So now you can see me guys that I'm not wearing anything. So guys,
Like, comment, share karo,
Hello guys, welcome back to new vlog. So आज हम लोग जाने वाला है waterfall में. So be with me. Oh guys, feeling so good. You can see the view, right? Today like totally new एक्सपीरियंस लाइक साइकिल से बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. और आप लोग वैसे व्यू तो देख ही सकते हैं. ये रहा मेरा लेफ्ट साइड पे और ये रहा राइट साइड. और ये देखिए सामने इतना अच्छा व्यू आ रहा है. और सो गाइस, हियर वी आर. सो वी आर द 4 मेंबर एंड लुक एट द व्यू गाइस, हाउ ऑसम इट इज. आई नो आई एम शाउटिंग टू मच बट लुक एट दिस साइड. वी आर गोना to go that in that mountains, whatever it is. We are going at that place, and right now I'm riding cycle. On my left side is Vidya Crow. Yo. And on the front side 2 of my friends are there, so I'm gonna to show you them. So I'm speeding up my pedal. Okay. Yeah. Whoa. Don't fall. Okay. Yeah. What a experience guys. So you can see the view how it is. Please comment here. I don't know how far it is, but there are some my guidance. They are taking me to waterfall, so just be with me. And how the roads are, you can see like my cycle doesn't have any kind of brakes, so I want to make it energetic, so I want to shout in the video. So stay with me, enjoy my video, and you are seeing how I'm riding my cycle. Of like, woo! What a view, man! And what are the places? Just tabahi be macha diya re. Woo! Come on! Fuck! Woo! Look at the view, guys. You are gonna to love it. What a look at this place. How good it is. I hope you all like this place. Ware awesome. यो यहाँ से कितने दूरी पे है ब्रो? ओके ठीक है, थोड़ा सा आगे आ चुका हूँ. या I think you can listen the sound or flowing of the water. I'm like Mr. Beer, okay? Man versus wild, so like my camera position is not so good, but I'm trying my best to make the video. I don't know how the views are coming, so stay with me. Like so many stones are there and I'm climbing on this top. Okay, stay with me. Don't skip any part of the video. Feeling good? Yes or no? These are the bamboo, and you can see the flow of the water. And now I'll be going on the top or at the top. It's hurting me. Okay, so how are you feeling guys? And I'm gonna to go more upper from here, so stay with me. How to climb? Just simple. Just have to catch these stones and just keep moving your body. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Look at that. Let's go. Woo, feeling so good, man. So finally guys, I am at the waterfall. You can see here's my friend, and at the top there one more friend, but I didn't see him. And here one more. Like in that job. Let's enjoy guys. So you are not coming with me, but you can enjoy with me, okay? Oh. Wait, I'm gonna to show you to one guy. He is at the top. Yeah, this one, can you see him? So now you can see me guys that I'm not wearing anything but wearing something downside but not upper side. So come, let's go with me. Oh yeah, I'm gonna to enjoy you. Okay, I can go a little bit from here. Yeah. So can you see the waterfall is so much and you can swim. Actually not, but you can. But like it, are you seeing me guys? Mobile becomes bad, then I know you guys are going to support me. Yo, listen, my friend is saying something, but for now I'm concentrating on myself because I'm making my videos. So बहुत तरीके मतलब मैं एंगल ढूंढ के मैं वहाँ तक जाऊँगा. So stay with me. Fuck. I missed all from here, so that is why I kept my phone at this place. Fuck this, please. Not staying stable, okay? Finally climb up to here, and at this place so much slippery guys, so you can climb at this place but should be carefully. And you have seen this, how it is so dry and lots of sand it is. And look at him, he's climbing upside and coming downwards. I don't know what's gonna to be my mobile condition, but I thought my phone is what to say, it is like waterproof, so I brought this here and my phone is becoming bad guys. You can see me, I'm taking bath. So much sand are coming guys, but I hope you like my videos, my vlogs. So they're questioning me that either my phone is waterproof or not, then I have answered that my phone is waterproof, okay? That is why I came to here and my phone is totally becoming wet. So please keep supporting me. It's only for you guys there. So guys, now here we are.
Like, comment, subscribe करो channel पर
and share the video.